Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF form electronically. First, open your PDF document in a compatible viewer like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a web browser. Look for a fill and sign tool or a similar option within the application's toolbar. This feature allows you to add text, check marks, and most importantly, your signature to the document. It's a straightforward process that saves time and resources, eliminating the need for printing and scanning. There are several easy ways to create your electronic signature. You can draw it freehand using your mouse or a stylus, which offers a very personal feel. Alternatively, simply type your name, and the software will generate a professional-looking signature in a suitable font. For those who prefer their actual handwriting, you can upload an image of your signature. Just sign a piece of white paper, take a clear photo, and import it into the PDF tool. This flexibility ensures everyone can find a method that works best for them. Once your signature is created, placing it on the document is simple. Click on the area where you need to sign, and your electronic signature will appear. You can then easily adjust its size by dragging the corners of the signature box, making it larger or smaller to fit the available space. Repositioning is just as easy. Simply drag the signature to the exact spot. Always double-check that your signature is clear and doesn't cover any other crucial information on the form. After successfully signing your PDF, the final step is to save and share it. Always save the document as a new file, perhaps adding sign to the file name, to keep your original blank form intact. This prevents accidental overwrites. If the document contains sensitive information, consider adding password protection for an extra layer of security. Finally, you can easily share your electronically signed PDF via email, secure messaging apps, or by uploading it to a cloud storage service. It's efficient and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.